In July 2018, OnePlus had announced that it will be skipping Android 8.1 Oreo on OnePlus 3 and OnePlus 3T and updating them to Android Pie directly by the end of the year as 2018 end came close. CEO has confirmed that the updates will be delayed as developers need more time to work on Android Pie update for these phones. Now, 2 months into 2019, OnePlus has confirmed that the update is coming, but it will follow the security patch update set to roll out soon. On a forum page, OnePlus community manager David confirmed that the company will first roll out a security patch based on Android Oreo and then roll out the anticipated Android Pie update. There is still no specific date or timeline for the Android Pie rollout, but once you get an Android Oreo based security patch update for your device, the Android Pie update should arrive soon. OnePlus has been quite responsive with respect to queries regarding the delayed update from OnePlus 3 and OnePlus 3 users. So that's it for now. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.